Okay, Ralph, how do you like making pizza?
Jerry, I'm gonna make a pizza for you.
A special pizza for you!
Special pizza for you. I didn't wash my hands. Fresh mushroom.
Fresh mushrooms.
I chopped them myself.
Okay, put the peppers on.
That's the next Jerry. You're rushing me.
I think we should use all the peppers.
Alright.
Well, what do you think?
It's already out of the jar.
Okay. I guess we're gonna use all the peppers.
And the sausage. Hey Jerry, the first thing is you wear a mitt so you don't hurt it yourself. And then you check. And the cornmeal did its job. See, it's a slide. It's a slide. But it's a crunchy too. So you got everything. We got the crunch. Look at that. It's holding up. That's nice. Shake it around. You put it back in. You got the real pizza coming. Okay. That's a real pizza. We made the crust. Cornmeal underneath. Look how crunchy it is. I'm lifting the damn thing up. And so
Let's see the bottom.
I can't because it'll.
Let's just show it.
But you can see that it's crunchy. Anyway, so you got red peppers that we chopped, mushrooms we chopped, sausage I chopped, and then I'm gonna cut the pie because here's a little crack right here. And you got a pie.
You gotta dig into it.
Yep. You gotta get a glove so you don't hurt yourself. Oh yeah, it's cracking.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, it's cracking.
That looks totally good.
And there's... It's hard to get that one. Alright, see that? It cracked the whole pie. Look at that.
That looks good. It's steaming too.
Look at that. I cracked the whole pie. Each side's crunchy.
It looks delicious.
No, that's a real deal.